the tail motor, you have a lot of tail motors screaming coming, but this helicopter, you see, mashallah, pretty quiet. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, Ali Shamo here. It's the second flight of GooSky RS4 direct drive brushless motor 3D RC helicopter. It's not a new area. I normally fly at that side, but I thought I will give it a try. As one of my friends said, I'll give it a try in this area. The only worry in this area is cables, high voltage cables. So let's hope everything goes right. I'm just gonna fly it mild. Wish me luck. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, attitude mode is very stable, but because the wind is coming from backside, so I have helicopter drifting forward. I still have to probably do a little bit of more tweaking on the attitude mode, but because mostly Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, we fly 3D, so I'm not much keen on doing too much tweaking on that. So too much head speed, man. For mild 3D, I think I can just keep it on 65% and do all 3D that I want. Okay, practicing my Pyro flips. Yeah, I have to move the cyclic more. So inverted, and I will switch to 6G mode. Immediately turns to normal flight. Man, what a sweet machine. And if you notice, it's kind of quiet on the tail as well. With the tail motor, you have a lot of tail motors screaming coming, but this helicopter, you see, mashallah, pretty quiet. Looks nice and majestic in the air, man. Landing time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to watch the complete build and setup videos on my channel. This is GooSky Legend RS4, people. Absolutely a very highly recommended helicopter for helicopter lovers and 3D pilots. I wish Tariq Al Sadi could fly this. Hey brother Tariq, I wish you can get one of the GooSky RS4 and fly it for us with a hardcore 3D.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?